Sports and technology have become increasingly intertwined, revolutionizing the way athletes train, compete, and recover. The use of technology in sports has opened up a world of possibilities, allowing for data-driven insights, personalized training programs, and enhanced performance monitoring. One of the key technologies shaping the future of sports is data analytics. By collecting and analyzing vast amounts of data, teams and athletes can gain valuable insights into their performance, opponents' strategies, and areas for improvement. Data analytics has transformed the way coaches and players approach training and competition, leading to more informed decision-making and strategic planning. Wearable technology is another game changer in the world of sports. From smartwatches to fitness trackers, athletes can now monitor their heart rate, sleep patterns, and activity levels in real time, providing valuable feedback on their overall health and performance. Wearable technology has also enabled coaches to track players' movements on the field, helping them optimize training programs and prevent injuries. Virtual reality, VR, and augmented reality, AR, are revolutionizing sports training by creating immersive and interactive environments for athletes to practice and improve their skills. VR allows athletes to simulate game scenarios, visualize complex plays, and enhance their decision-making abilities in a controlled setting. AR, on the other hand, overlays digital information onto the real world, providing athletes with real-time feedback and guidance during training sessions. Artificial intelligence, AI, is increasingly being used in sports coaching to analyze player performance, predict outcomes, and optimize training programs. AI-powered coaching platforms can provide personalized feedback to athletes, identify patterns in their performance, and suggest areas for improvement. While technology has brought about numerous benefits to the world of sports, it also presents challenges and limitations. Privacy concerns, data security issues, and the potential for over-reliance on technology are some of the key challenges that need to be addressed. Despite these challenges, the future of sports technology looks promising, with advancements in areas such as biometric monitoring, predictive analytics, and personalized training programs. As technology continues to evolve, it will play an increasingly important role in shaping the future of sports, helping athletes reach their full potential and pushing the boundaries of human performance. Data analytics has emerged as a game changer in the world of sports, revolutionizing the way athletes and teams approach performance optimization. By harnessing the power of data, sports organizations can gain valuable insights into player performance, opponent strategies, and overall team dynamics. One of the key roles of data analytics in sports performance is the ability to track and analyze a wide range of performance metrics in real time. From player movement patterns to heart rate variability, data analytics provides coaches and athletes with a comprehensive view of their performance on and off the field. Interesting fact: in the NBA, teams are using player tracking data to analyze shooting efficiency, defensive positioning, and overall game strategy. By leveraging this data, coaches can make informed decisions about player rotations, game tactics, and training programs. Another fascinating aspect of data analytics in sports performance is the use of predictive modeling to forecast player performance and game outcomes. By analyzing historical data, player statistics, and environmental factors, sports organizations can develop predictive models that help them anticipate potential game scenarios and make strategic decisions. For example, in soccer, teams are using predictive analytics to assess player fatigue levels, injury risks, and optimal substitution timings during matches. This data-driven approach not only enhances performance on the field but also minimizes the risk of injuries and improves overall team dynamics. Moreover, data analytics plays a crucial role in talent identification and recruitment in sports. By analyzing player statistics, scouting reports, and performance data, teams can identify promising talent, assess player potential, and make informed decisions about player acquisitions. Interesting fact: Major League Baseball teams are using data analytics to identify undervalued players based on advanced metrics such as exit velocity, spin rate, and defensive efficiency. This data-driven approach has revolutionized player recruitment strategies and reshaped team dynamics in professional sports. In addition to player performance, data analytics is also being used to enhance fan engagement and optimize the spectator experience. Sports organizations are leveraging data analytics to personalize fan interactions, deliver targeted content, and create immersive experiences for viewers. For instance, in the NFL, teams are using fan engagement data to tailor marketing campaigns, optimize ticket sales, and enhance the overall game day experience for spectators. By analyzing fan preferences, social media interactions, and viewing habits, sports organizations can create customized experiences that resonate with their audience and drive fan loyalty. Overall, the role of data analytics in sports performance is multifaceted and continues to evolve with advancements in technology and data science. By leveraging data-driven insights, sports organizations can unlock new opportunities for performance optimization, talent development, and fan engagement, ultimately shaping the future of sports in a data-driven world. Wearable technology has revolutionized the way athletes train, compete, and recover in the world of sports. From smartwatches to fitness trackers, wearable devices have become essential tools for monitoring and optimizing athletic performance. One of the key applications of wearable technology in sports is the tracking of biometric data. Athletes can now monitor their heart rate, sleep patterns, calorie expenditure, and hydration levels in real time, providing valuable insights into their overall health and performance. Interesting fact, in the 2016 Rio Olympics, the U.S. women's field hockey team used wearable technology to track player performance metrics, such as distance covered, sprint speed, and heart rate variability during matches. This data-driven approach helped coaches tailor training programs, optimize player rotations, and enhance team performance on the field. Wearable technology is also being used to prevent injuries and improve recovery in sports. Athletes can use wearable devices to monitor their movement patterns, biomechanics, and muscle fatigue levels, allowing them to identify potential injury risks and adjust their training accordingly. Interesting fact, NBA teams are using wearable sensors to track player workload, movement mechanics, and injury risk factors to prevent overtraining and optimize player recovery. By leveraging wearable technology, athletes can enhance their performance, reduce the risk of injuries, and prolong their careers in sports. Moreover, wearable technology is transforming the fan experience in sports. Spectators can now access real-time player data, interactive statistics, and immersive content through wearable devices, enhancing their engagement and enjoyment of the game. Sports organizations are leveraging wearable technology to create personalized fan experiences, deliver targeted content, and build a loyal fan base. Overall, the application of wearable technology in sports is reshaping the way athletes train, compete, and engage with fans, ushering in a new era of data-driven performance optimization and fan interaction. Virtual reality, VR, and augmented reality, AR, are revolutionizing sports training by creating immersive and interactive environments for athletes to practice and improve their skills. VR technology allows athletes to simulate game scenarios, visualize plays, and enhance decision-making abilities in a controlled setting. Athletes can don VR headsets and be transported to virtual training environments where they can practice without the physical demands of real-world training. Interesting fact, the NFL has been using VR technology to train quarterbacks by simulating game scenarios and defensive formations, allowing them to make split-second decisions in a realistic virtual environment. AR, on the other hand, overlays digital information onto the real world, providing athletes with real-time feedback and guidance during training sessions. AR technology can enhance coaching sessions by superimposing data, statistics, and visual cues onto the athlete's field of view, helping them improve their technique and performance. Interesting fact, the NBA has implemented AR technology to provide players with real-time performance metrics and tactical information during games, enhancing their decision-making on the court. VR and AR are also being used to enhance fan engagement and create immersive experiences for spectators. Fans can now experience sports events in virtual reality, allowing them to feel like they are part of the action from the comfort of their homes. Sports organizations are leveraging VR and AR technology to deliver interactive content, behind-the-scenes access, and 360-degree views of games, enhancing the overall fan experience. Interesting fact. The MLB has introduced VR experiences that allow fans to view games from different perspectives, such as the pitcher's mound or the batter's box, providing a unique and immersive way to watch baseball games. Overall, virtual reality and augmented reality are transforming sports training and fan engagement, offering new opportunities for athletes to improve their skills, coaches to enhance their training methods, and fans to experience sports in innovative and exciting ways. Artificial intelligence, AI, is revolutionizing sports coaching by providing coaches with advanced tools and insights to enhance athlete performance and optimize training programs. One of the key applications of AI in sports coaching is performance analysis. AI algorithms can analyze vast amounts of data, such as player statistics, game footage, and biometric information, to identify patterns, trends, and areas for improvement. Interesting fact, in tennis, AI-powered systems can analyze player movements, shot selection, and match strategies to provide real-time feedback to coaches and players, helping them make strategic decisions during matches. AI is also being used to personalize training programs for athletes. By leveraging machine learning algorithms, coaches can create customized training regimens based on individual player strengths, weaknesses, and performance goals. AI can analyze player data to optimize training schedules, drills, and exercises, leading to more efficient and effective training sessions. Interesting fact, in soccer, AI-powered coaching platforms can track player progress, assess skill development, and adjust training programs in real time to maximize player potential and performance. Another fascinating application of AI in sports coaching is injury prevention. By analyzing biomechanical data, player workload, and injury risk factors, AI systems can help coaches identify potential injury risks and adjust training loads to minimize the likelihood of injuries. Interesting fact, NBA teams are using AI algorithms to monitor player fatigue levels, movement mechanics, and injury risks to prevent overtraining and optimize player recovery. AI is also transforming game strategy and decision-making in sports coaching. Coaches can use AI-powered systems to analyze opponent tactics, predict game outcomes, and develop winning strategies based on data-driven insights. Interesting fact, in baseball, AI algorithms can analyze pitcher-batter matchups, defensive positioning, and game situations to provide coaches with strategic recommendations and in-game decision support. Overall, the use of artificial intelligence in sports coaching is reshaping the way coaches train athletes, analyze performance, and strategize for success. By leveraging AI technologies, coaches can unlock new opportunities for performance optimization, injury prevention, and strategic decision-making, ultimately pushing the boundaries of athletic achievement in the world of sports. While technology has brought about numerous benefits to the world of sports, it also presents several challenges and limitations that need to be addressed. One of the key challenges is the potential for over-reliance on technology. Athletes and teams may become too dependent on technology for performance optimization, leading to a lack of focus on fundamental skills and instincts. Additionally, there are concerns about data security and privacy in sports technology. With the collection of vast amounts of personal and performance data, there is a risk of data breaches, unauthorized access, and misuse of sensitive information. Another challenge is the cost associated with implementing and maintaining sports technology. High-tech equipment, software, and training programs can be expensive, making it challenging for smaller teams and organizations to access the latest technological advancements. Interestingly, there is also a concern about the impact of technology on the human element of sports. As technology becomes more prevalent in sports coaching and training, there is a risk of dehumanizing the athlete-coach relationship and diminishing the role of intuition and experience in decision-making. Despite these challenges, addressing the limitations of technology in sports is crucial to ensure that athletes and teams can harness the benefits of technology while maintaining the integrity and spirit of the game. The future of sports technology is filled with exciting trends and innovations that promise to revolutionize the way athletes train and compete. One key trend is the rise of biometric monitoring devices that can track athletes' health metrics in real time, providing valuable insights into their physical condition and performance levels. Another trend is the integration of virtual reality, VR, and augmented reality (AR) technologies into sports training, allowing athletes to immerse themselves in realistic training scenarios and enhance their skills in a virtual environment. Additionally, advancements in artificial intelligence (AI) are enabling coaches to analyze player data, predict game outcomes, and personalize training programs with unprecedented accuracy. With the continued evolution of sports technology, we can expect to see a shift towards more personalized, data-driven training methods that optimize athlete performance and push the boundaries of human potential in sports. In conclusion, the future of sports technology holds immense potential for athletes and teams to enhance performance, prevent injuries, and engage fans in innovative ways. With advancements in biometric monitoring, virtual reality training, and artificial intelligence coaching, the landscape of sports is evolving rapidly. As we embrace these technological trends, it is essential to address challenges such as data security and over-reliance on technology to ensure a balanced approach to sports innovation. By leveraging the power of technology while preserving the human element of sports, we can unlock new opportunities for athletes to excel and for fans to experience the thrill of sports like never before.